Good evening, too. We've been tracking this area of light freezing rain that came up out of northern Oklahoma, now extends right along the turnpike from Topeka over to the Kansas City area. It has pretty much hugged right along the turnpike and now pushing to the east, and primarily in the form of some light freezing rain. A little activity between Matfield and Cassaday along the turnpike as well. We'll watch that. It may try to form into a slightly larger shower as it approaches Emporia. Again, a couple of showers around during the evening hours. That's what we're going to keep an eye on. Right now, it is 27 degrees. The dew point is still low enough that we don't anticipate drizzle yet, so that's good news. A lot of times drizzle makes the roads even worse. 27 the current temperature after topping out at 28. These passing light showers have been confined to the southeastern portions of the region, still dry and mid-20s off to the north and northwest. A light wind will stay light throughout the duration of the weekend. That's good news as this area of light freezing rain continues from about central Topeka eastward, and moving off to the northeast, it'll move through Perry to Oskaloosa, moving through Bonner Springs right now as well. That continues from southwest to northeast, another area of light freezing rain over far southeastern Kansas down toward Tulsa. That'll move up more toward west central Missouri, and then kind of catching a break temporarily as we look for the next round to develop as we're tracking the system coming in out of the southwest. It'll get more organized after crossing the Rockies and give us a chance for some more widespread freezing rain. The glazing of ice is mainly the southeastern portion of the area tonight, as a couple of showers will move through there. That's this first round that we've been talking about. The ice storm warning, especially for the northern counties, is almost entirely for Saturday night into Sunday. We'll see kind of a couple of rounds farther south, but overall the bulk of it is still ahead of us. Future track shows part of the area tomorrow may see significant breaks in the clouds. That is expected for Saturday. Then the widespread freezing rain starts moving in during the night, midnight to 4 a.m., getting widespread freezing rain. That'll carry on into daybreak on Sunday with rounds of this freezing rain. Eventually, that warmer air starts moving in. Some models already have Topeka over to rain by 4 or 5, even 6 o'clock. But either way, the rain will spread over the entire region by late evening and overnight. And then the temperatures continue to warm up for most of the day Monday. Monday night, maybe a little bit of wraparound light precipitation. But looking ahead, the northern counties, dry Saturday, freezing rain by late Saturday night and into much of the daytime on Sunday. The central counties will have this light freezing rain move through tonight, and then we dry back out and mainly dry through Saturday. But we have freezing rain again Saturday night through Sunday afternoon and evening. The southeastern counties will have the most in the way of these light freezing rain showers tonight. But after that, we'll still wait for the main round Saturday night to last into Sunday, at least morning, if not midday, for the southern counties. Not looking at a high amount, glazing, trace amounts of ice tonight. And through the day tomorrow, we don't really add any to it until tomorrow night, when this freezing rain starts spreading in. It keeps on accumulating through the day on Sunday and on into Sunday evening and night. We pick up most areas a quarter inch or more out of this. And that's what we're looking at as we look at this late weekend ice storm. Primarily, the big round is Saturday night into Sunday, and then it'll start to change over to rain. But we could pick up, before that happens, a quarter to a half inch of ice, maybe a few locally higher amounts where some heavier showers move through, but the widespread amount will be quarter to half inch. And it'll change over to rain from south to north late in the day on Sunday. And the good news is the winds will be light. We will have travel problems. Anywhere the freezing rain occurs, it'll get slick quickly. We'll have a high tomorrow of 32 and mainly dry as we await the next round. That comes in Sunday night. By Sunday afternoon and evening, we're changing over to rain. Should be raining for most of Monday, and then may briefly change back over as the system wraps up for Monday evening, Monday night, and then cooler weather moves back in for just a day on Tuesday with 42. And by the end of next week, we're in the 50s to around 60 degrees. So let's get through this weekend. May need to stay put, especially Saturday night and Sunday. And after that, we should see a pretty quick recovery.
Yeah, 60 by Friday. Just keep looking forward to that.
And keep hoping that the amounts stay less than a half inch at your location, because that's where we start to get into more of the power outage issue.
All right.